went to PEI, we drove there.
Yeah.
And on our way back, there was people they were so close together.
Yeah. All clustered together.
Yeah. They were so close that people weren't letting this one guy in, and they hit him because he slammed on his brakes, or didn't slam on them, but he pressed his brakes and the guy hit him behind him. It was like 4 people got into an accident there.
There you go. Yeah, I think following too close is probably the leading cause of accidents.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a right turn at the lights. A right turn.
Oh,
right turn. Yeah.
Oh my God! See?
Here we go.
Why do I think it's left? Already messing my lights up. All right.
I would never ask you to make a left turn, being that close to
because I was gonna say
multiple lanes.
what?
Nice. And there's 2 lanes.
Yeah.
We're gonna turn right at the lights. Right turn at the lights.
Right turn.
Yeah. And on the road test, they actually repeat what they want you to do. They say it twice, but in 2 different ways. So they'll say please turn right at the next traffic lights.
Okay.
And then they'll say right turn at the traffic lights, please. Then they go backwards.
Interesting.
At the stop sign here, we're gonna go straight.
I won't mess up my turns though. Sorry, go ahead.
It's all good. We're gonna make a right turn here at the stop sign. I know you're gonna turn right here because you can't go left.
It'd be bad if I went left.
Oops, you didn't stop.
Oh, sorry.
We're gonna make a right turn here.
I knew there was a stop there too.
A lot of people don't stop for them because it's part of the parking lot. We'll go right to the end and turn left. And in parking lots, the stop signs are privately owned. They're not public. They're not enforced, and some people know that, so they just ignore it because they won't get a ticket.
Yeah.
Basically, but they're there just for.
Am I right in the middle of the lanes?
No, this is good.
Sorry.
Yeah, this looks good. We'll go right to the end there. We're gonna back it into the space. How about between the white car and the SUV, the black SUV, at the back of the parking lot there?